In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a newsletter or email block to your Squarespace website. This process will help you engage with your audience directly through email communication, a key element for successful marketing strategies. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is your base, the starting point where all your projects and navigation begin. If you're not already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials to access your site. Once you're on the home page, the real work begins. Now, look for the Edit button. It's usually located somewhere around the page menu or in the corner, depending on your specific setup or customizations you might have implemented. Click on this button to enter editing mode, which allows you to make changes and updates to your website with ease. This is your canvas, a space where creativity meets functionality. Once you're in the editing mode, it's time to add something new. Look for the ADD block option. This button is significant because it allows you to incorporate a variety of features or elements into your page. This ranges from text and media to more interactive elements such as forms and subscription blocks, which are crucial for building a comprehensive, engaging site. Click on ADD block and you will be presented with a menu of options. Next, focus your attention on the newsletter or email block. This option is pivotal for establishing and maintaining a direct communication line with your audience. Clicking on this will allow you to integrate a sign-up form for newsletters, promotions, updates, or any other communications you wish to share with your subscribers. After selecting the newsletter option, you'll notice it's just floating there. Now, simply click and drag this block to the desired location on your page. Consider placing it somewhere visible and intuitive, such as a sidebar or at the bottom of your homepage. This makes it easily accessible for visitors who might want to sign up for updates. Once you're pleased with the placement, it's time to finalize your edits. Navigate to the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the editor interface. Saving ensures that all your hard work is locked in and any adjustments you made are now live and ready for your website visitors to interact with, and there you have it. Remember, the key to a successful website is accessibility and user engagement. By adding a newsletter or email block, you are opening a channel for meaningful connections with your audience. So, take these steps and transform your site's potential into meaningful interactions. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to enhance your Squarespace site.